guys, today I received 2 packages from Amazon. I got this brand new iPolo mini ETC miner, okay? And this one, it's faster than these. These are the 300 mega hash ones, these gold ones, and I got the 400 mega hash one. This one cost me a little over $1,000. I wanted to go with this instead of going with the gold shell one, because basically what I'm doing is I'm mining Ethereum Classic, which is being converted over to Dogecoin on mineable. I figured I would get more coins going with this iPolo than getting the Dogecoin 2 miner that gold shell is offering. So I went with this instead. So right now I currently got these on, but I got these off here because I'm working with this here. Okay, so as far as this mining rig here, the KASPA one, which I have about 8 GPUs there, I'm going to be adding another one, building another GPU rig like this one on top of this one, okay? Because this one is like stackable. I don't know how high you can stack it, but I'm going to add another one just like this. So it's going to be like a giant super computer here, pretty much. And this is my 3060. This is going to stay like this for now. 3060 mining KASPA also. This one is also mining KASPA. And this package here is the frame that I'm going to be taking this down, put it into the frame here, and adding these 2 GPUs that I have on the side as well. You know, so that's about, let me see, you got 8, 9, 10, maybe about, I don't know, 10 GPUs. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, this is 7, not 8, 7, 8, 9. With these, it will be 9. So I can add a few more GPUs to there. I don't think I'm going to take any of these out from here, these 3060s. I kind of want to keep it all 3060s because these are all 1660 supers. Or except this one. This is an A2000. That's the only one that's different. But anyway, I'm going to be putting that into this rig. I don't know if I'm going to get any more. I doubt I'm going to get any more 1660 super GPUs or GPUs. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just put some of those 3060s there. I really don't want to do that, but we'll see how things, you know, roll. But that's basically what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to take this apart, put it all, I'm going to take this box, open it up, and start building the frame, and then start taking that apart and put it into the frame. So this is all the parts that's in the box, pretty much to build this frame right here. But I'm not going to show the entire build step by step. I'm just going to put it together, and I'm going to pretty much show you how I, you know, fixed it up and put it up on top of there. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I actually took the whole brain out, motherboard, power supply out, took down all of the GPUs, and left the frame like that with the fans. Now I'm just going to put in those mounting pillars there so I can put this motherboard on and put this on there, this bottom frame. Motherboard is in, 2 power supplies added, and I'm going to continue to build. Okay, so I lifted it and screwed it down, this part on top of the other rig. I actually still have it mining while I'm putting this together. The reason why I did that was because it's probably going to be too heavy for me to lift and do it by myself. So, you know, and get it attached here. So I figured I put this part of the framing, which I did, and screw it up, and it just build from here while it's still mining KASPA. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. 21 GPUs. I could fit the 3 more GPUs in here, and I just cranked it up, so I just got to make sure everything's running upstairs. I checked the computer. 21 GPU, double mining rig, KASPA mining rig. There you go. Turned on right away. But I just gotta make sure, you know, this one is actually mining when I check it upstairs. You know, I might have to tweak around with it. So that's pretty much it, guys. It took me like a couple of hours to put it together, but I managed to do it. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace.